Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, going through the statement made by the Honorable Railway Minister, I must say that this is a deplorable statement. The statement has been made about certain accidents, loss of lives, and what the Railway Ministry would like to do to give them compensation. Nowhere does the statement indicated that there is an action of the terrorists, that this has been deliberately done by the terrorists. The most important element of the thing is that this has been a program of the terrorists, whatever may be the political intentions. If it is not noted there, if the railway ministry is not aware about the gravity of the situation, about the involvement of the terrorists, about their game plan, then I am afraid no preventive action can be taken by the railways. I agree this matter comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, but after all, precaution can be taken if there is a joint move. Therefore, the Honorable Railway Minister's statement, I think, is devoid of the basic element of an act of terrorists. Secondly, honorable members have described this as an accident. It is not an accident, it is a deliberate action of a planned nature. Therefore, it is a rare case of unparalleled brutality on the part of the terrorists. Sir, this has its political intentions. They would like to create a scare before the elections. They would like to give the impression that terrorism has not died down. They would like to give a signal to their followers that they are very much active. They would like to give a signal that India or the people should not believe that terrorism has been liquidated in the country, as is being claimed. It has its political intentions for two reasons. One is because of the elections in Punjab, another is because of the normalcy that is being restored in Kashmir. It has wider political ramifications that should have been there in the statement. Anyway, the main question that arises here is whether there has been any intelligence lapse. The only question that I would like the Honorable Home Minister to reply is whether there has been any intelligence lapse. I say this because there are reports that there was a tip off from certain quarters that some such thing could happen even in a train. Is this really so? If it is really so, at what level the information was evaluated, and after evaluating the information, what preventive action was taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, or what action the Ministry of Home Affairs advised the Ministry of Railways to take. Stop. Thank you.